Language model benchmarks usually test 5-minute tasks. Published by Analogy AI in 2026. This research tests whether large language models can sustain complex organizational management over hundreds of decision turns without relying on subjective judges. Instead of grading static one-shot code fixes, FM Bench places 15 frontier models into a 20-year football management simulation, measuring long-term survival, financial discipline, and strategic asset growth. Management requires 4 pillars: calibrating noise under hidden information, surviving compounding cumulative consequences, reacting to counter-adaptive rival agents, and balancing winning matches against strict board solvency constraints. At each frozen stop, the agent reviews an event digest, queries market data, executes contract or transfer actions, and finally calls advance to let the deterministic engine simulate forward. The benchmark tests 2 modes: a solo track against deterministic scripted opponents, and a live arena where 15 top LLMs compete in a single shared economy for 20 years. Because each stop resets conversation history, agents must maintain a self-authored notebook. We see 2 failure modes: endless append-only bloat, or catastrophic annual rewrites that delete crucial historical context. Top models succeed by renewing contracts early, deploying idle capital, and cutting slow payoff facility investments near the end. Yet, no model successfully deduced true market prices from rejected bids. Model scale and pricing do not guarantee managerial success over long horizons. In the upcoming parts, we will dissect the exact mathematical mechanics governing transfers, finances, and squad progression. Why do standard evaluations fail to test real management? When environments adapt dynamically and mistakes compound over 20 game years, naive prompt strategies quickly collapse. True management rests on 4 non-negotiable pillars: imperfect hidden scouting, compounding multi-year consequences, markets that penalize repetitive bidding, and joint board pressure across trophies and solvency. Every decision stop opens as a fresh conversation. The engine pushes raw state, while the agent must explicitly curate its own notebook to carry intent forward. The scoring function aggregates every season equally. It balances honors earned and deflated club value added against squad stability, heavily discounting runs that end in early firing. An Oracle script reading hidden variables anchors the theoretical ceiling at 95 points, while models compete blind across hundreds of decision stops against tiered opponents. Frontier models separate cleanly across the 20-year track. Claude Fable and OpenWeight Kimi lead the board, whereas smaller architectures suffer catastrophic collapses and frequent board firings. Early standings are remarkably deceptive. Rank correlation with final outcomes is under 0.2 at year 5, proving that short-horizon benchmarks cannot measure long-term strategic compounding. Human novices struggled severely with the environment's complexity. 4 out of 6 human players were fired before year 13, falling well short of elite model performance. These solo runs prove critical truths. Token spending does not guarantee success. Open-weight models compete at the top, and true strategic capability requires multi-decade evaluation. A single composite score hides what models actually do over 20 years. To understand failure, we decompose solo performance into 6 distinct behavioral capabilities across 15 frontier models. Long-horizon success rests on 6 pillars: timing endgame shutdowns, assigning credit to idle cash, negotiating contracts proactively, discovering market prices, curating working memory, and spending tokens efficiently. Holding idle cash carries a brutal delayed penalty with a negative correlation of 0.50. Haiku hoarded nearly 200% idle cash, while top agents actively deployed capital. The best agents cut capital investments before the final whistle and renew contracts 18 months early. Lower models fail to learn market prices, needing dozens of rejected bids per signing. Memory curation exposes 2 fatal extremes. Sol treated its notebook as an append-only log where state drowned, while Sonnet rewrote so aggressively that long-term plans vanished between seasons. The winner, Claude Fable 5, is a balanced generalist without a single capability below 0.79. Mid-table models show isolated brilliance paired with one fatal gap. Untrained humans struggled with unrecoverable bids and wage spikes, with 4 dying out. Yet surviving humans derived standing rules that models lacked, showing complementary reasoning styles. Solo tracks create compounding dynasties, but the shared arena forces constant title rotation. Adaptive rivals bid away leading talent, pushing Fable from half a bid to nearly 5 bids per season. In a contested economy, chasing titles leads to ruin. The true champion won only 4 titles but accumulated convertible assets, securing long-term dominance as short-sighted leaders exhausted their revivals. You might expect models spending huge token budgets to manage organizations better. But across 20 simulated years, raw deliberation volume showed zero statistical correlation with long-term performance. FM Bench places models in charge of a football club for 20 seasons. Instead of an LLM judge, a deterministic engine scores 4 competing operational demands across thousands of sequential decisions. Claude Fable finished first with 76 points while using fewer tokens than runners-up. Meanwhile, simple heuristic anchors crashed out within 3 seasons, proving that baseline competence requires genuine reasoning. The winning agent maintained one unified strategy notebook across 20 years, making only 91 targeted offers. In contrast, reactive models churned through thousands of panic moves and eventually went bankrupt. Here is a fascinating pathology. Claude Opus accurately wrote in its notebook that idle cash should purchase young talent. Yet it ended the run hoarding over $2 billion in unspent funds. Allowing models to deliberate longer often created circular loops instead of better foresight. High token consumption reflected tactical overthinking rather than the steady discipline required for multi-year resource allocation. Keep the study boundaries in mind. Solo results average 3 random seeds, rival teams follow scripted baselines, and cross-domain transfer to corporate management remains an open research question. Every single simulation run is strictly reproducible. By using salted hash seeds and atomic state logs, the engine guarantees bit-identical replays and lossless recovery from unexpected mid-run network outages. Managing complex systems over time requires persistent planning rather than frantic reaction.